Today, I'm taking on the challenge of transforming my meals with just rice and a bunch of spices. Let's see if they can really change my life forever. Rice and spices? They sound like a pretty basic combo. But have you ever stopped to think about just how much they can do for you? I mean, we're talking about taking a simple staple like rice and turning it into something that not only tastes amazing, but also does wonders for your well-being. That's what I'm excited to dive into today. A lot of people view rice as this boring, bland food that you just kind of eat. It's a staple, sure, but it's not exactly known for being exciting. And I get it. When you're used to having it plain or with just a bit of salt, it can get pretty repetitive. But that's exactly the point. It's so versatile and can be paired with so many different things to completely change up its flavor and nutritional profile. I've been guilty of this myself, where my diet starts to feel super monotonous. Week in, week out, it's the same old rice with maybe some veggies or a bit of chicken if I'm lucky. But then you start to realize just how much potential there is out there. You see all these incredible dishes from around the world that are basically just rice and something else. And that's where the magic happens. The lack of variety can really get to you, especially when you start to learn about all the different types of spices and herbs out there. I mean, there are thousands of them, each with its own unique benefits and flavors. And yet, so many of us stick to just a handful of the same old seasonings. Let's talk spices, the game changers. You've got your turmeric with its anti-inflammatory properties, your cumin, which can aid digestion, and your cinnamon, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. When you start combining these spices with rice, you create dishes that are not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. For example, a simple turmeric rice dish can be elevated with the addition of some cumin and coriander. Or, you can try making a spicy rice bowl with some sautéed veggies and a sprinkle of cinnamon. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes it so exciting. I've seen it transform people's lives, and I've seen it in my own life too. A friend of mine started incorporating more spices into her meals and noticed a huge difference in her energy levels and overall mood. She started experimenting with different spice blends and found that it really helped her connect with her cultural heritage. For me, it's been about exploring new flavors and textures. I've started making a spicy rice bowl with roasted veggies and a fried egg, and it's become a staple in my meal prep. It's amazing how something so simple can be so satisfying. So, incorporating spices into your rice dishes isn't just about adding flavor. It's about creating a more balanced and nutritious meal. And it's not just about the physical benefits. It's also about the mental and emotional connection you can make with food. Incorporating spices into your meals can genuinely change your life. You start to appreciate the little things, like the smell of spices roasting in the pan or the taste of a perfectly cooked spice blend. To wrap it up, we've talked about how rice and spices can totally transform your meals and even impact your overall well-being. It's all about exploring those different flavors and combinations that can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. If you're as excited as I am about experimenting with rice and spices, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite rice and spice combinations. I'm always looking for new ideas. And if you're interested in more healthy meal prep tips, be sure to check out my other video on easy and delicious meal prep ideas.